now we're in Plano, Texas. We're going to be checking out this tunnel, WhiteWater Express Car Wash. Let's see. Yep, 22. That was right. Can I reach it? Wash menu. Yeah. 22. It's a recorder. I don't think so.
I feel like I have to reach.
I know. Please don't spit the bill back out. Long receipt for car wash. Car 894.
894 a day?
Alright, here we go.
Oh, Kroger.
Yep. And is this fourth? Tunnel number 4 or 5? I think it's gonna be our last tunnel wash. Let's see. Yep, Belanger, I was right. This is not. Oh gosh, can I even? Is it possible? Oh yeah. This is kind of weird. Woo. Alright, that worked.
Welcome to WhiteWater, neutral, number 3. Thank you.
Yeah, Belanger equipment. They have some more, usually have more unique tunnel equipment. Zoom out all the way. Anyway, I think I got a good thumbnail. Yep. That Belanger equipment's usually pretty neat, at least the old ones. The newer one's kind of junk. It's got both of them. 2 sets of it. Belanger's mirror curtains are definitely among the most interesting.
They're short.
Yeah. This little section is certainly lackluster. There's like almost nothing over here.
I know. Oh, they must have added this other part on.
Maybe, I don't know. was the WhiteWater Express Car Wash. Not bad for a Belanger tunnel, but could use a little TLC. So that'll be it for this video. Thank you all for watching. Hope you all enjoyed. That'll be it for this one.